In today's video, we'll be diving deep into Easy Projects, a project management platform designed to help teams streamline their workflow and stay organized. As we load up the site, you'll see that Easy Projects offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation, making it easy for anyone to get started. The homepage immediately gives us access to their key features, such as task management, time tracking, and reporting tools. As we explore the dashboard, you can clearly see how projects are organized with easy-to-navigate sections, allowing teams to view tasks, deadlines, and assignments at a glance. One of the standout features of Easy Projects is its robust task management system. It allows teams to break down projects into manageable tasks, assign them to the right team members, and track progress with ease. The ability to set due dates, priorities, and add detailed descriptions ensures that everyone is on the same page. Additionally, you can attach files, link to other tasks, and use tags to keep everything organized. If you're managing multiple projects, Easy Projects makes it simple to switch between them and see what's coming up next. As we move on to the time tracking feature, it becomes clear how valuable this tool is for teams that need to track billable hours or assess productivity. You can start and stop timers within tasks, or manually log time entries if preferred. This feature works seamlessly, and it's a great asset for project managers who need to keep an eye on the team's performance and time allocation. When it comes to reporting, Easy Projects excels in providing customizable reports. You can generate reports based on tasks, time, or even specific projects, making it easy to measure progress and identify bottlenecks. This is crucial for teams looking to improve efficiency and make data-driven decisions. The platform also integrates with popular apps like Google Calendar and Slack, which makes communication and scheduling even more streamlined. Another great feature is its user permission system. Admins can customize access levels for different team members, ensuring that sensitive information is kept secure. For teams working on multiple projects with various clients, this level of control is essential. Many useful links can be found in the description. Be sure to check them out for additional resources that could help you with your project management needs after watching the video. Overall, Easy Projects is an incredibly powerful tool for teams of all sizes. It's flexible, feature-rich, and provides a range of customizable options to suit your workflow. If you're in the market for a project management tool, this is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of the best software out there.